Huawei's P series launch in Paris last March, the Huawei P20 Lite was a no-show. That might have been intentional so the bigger P20 and the P20 Pro gets all of the media's attention. But you know what they say? Better late than never. Hi guys, this is Kim of YugaTech and here's our first impressions of the Huawei P20 Lite. The Huawei P20 Lite came with a retail box that's pretty similar to that of the P20 and P20 Pro. Inside is a midnight black version of the Huawei P20 Lite, which we have for review. While the P20 Lite and Nova 2i had a lot in common in terms of hardware, the Huawei P20 Lite is obviously more beautiful. It's got an all-metal unibody design with back-to-back glass protection. At the front is a large 5.85-inch IPS LCD display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. In fact, the P20 Lite has a slightly higher resolution compared to its more premium siblings. The notch is also there up top, but if you're not fond of it, a quick change in the settings will virtually remove that. It's also odd that the P20 Lite has a bigger display compared to the Huawei P20, which is just 5.8 inches. At the back is a dual camera setup, much more like the setup of the P20, but Huawei dropped the Leica label on this one. It's the same 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel module that was used in the Nova 2i. The fingerprint scanner is also placed at the back, carved out from the glass paneling. There seems to be a trend here that low-end models get a fingerprint scanner at the back, while premium flagship models have them in front. The power button and volume controls are on the right, the SIM card slot on the left, and the noise-canceling microphone up top. It's also great to know that the P20 Lite comes with a USB Type-C port with fast charging, something we don't often see in the mid-range category. The Type-C port is flanked by the speaker grille and primary mic with audio port on the other side. Powering the P20 Lite is the HiSilicon Kirin 659, the same chipset as the one used in the Nova 2i. It's paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It runs an Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box with EMUI 8.0. Check out the initial benchmark scores. The 3000 mAh internal battery might just be enough for a whole day use, but we'll figure that out in our battery test. The P20 Lite now also supports fast charging via the USB Type-C port and its own 9V 2A wall charger. Huawei Philippines does not share the suggested retail price, but we will find that out by April 28. And that's it for our initial impressions of the Huawei P20 Lite. We're now working on our full review, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and see you in our next video. Bye!